Okay, ito na naman po tayo sa Sundo Surye. Ayan, kakasundo lang po natin sa aking wife at kasama si Eldrick. At syempre, yun na naman ang
crinkles.
free
Which
food.
would you like? Wait lang. Maduming kamay mo ay.
Merong chocolate crinkles.
Yeah!
Tapos, may ensaymada po. Ayan. Ensaymada. Saka yung kanin ulam.
Wait, anak, wait lang.
Excited yung isa, oh.
Do you want the chocolate?
What can you
crinkle
say?
first?
Yummy.
Huh?
Yummy.
Or this one? Bye.
How does it taste?
Yeah, it's yummy.
Kain tayo.
Tubig ba?
Meron yung pula.
Yung gym timer. Ang feeling, oh.
Taste time.
Hop, may palaman pa sa loob. Okay na. Say hi, bye-bye.
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 Anak.